Hi guys, in this video we will learn about the alternative of pandas. Okay, so you may be already familiar with pandas, what they do, right? So I will be not explaining you that one, but over here I will be explaining you what is Modin. Okay, so Modin makes it faster, all the processes that we do, all the calculations that we do on a pandas. So it uses the parallel processing, it uses ray at the back, and you can use another, not just ray, but if you want to use a task or a unit test, that's also possible. So you can change the backend and will work for you. And there's no change in the code ways. You just need to import the modding, okay, and it will do everything as pandas is doing right now. So it's the same as I told you, it's an alternative of pandas. So let's start. So let's create a tut, okay, Modin tut, and here I'll be adding it a file. I'll be using a Jupyter notebook, okay, and I already have a kernel. But if you want to install it, pip install Modin. Okay, that's it. And make sure you add everything over here. Three backends we have it here. One is Ray, Task, Unit Test. Okay, so to install them all, you can use all. Okay, I already have it. That's why I'm just commented out this one. Okay, and what we need to do, we just need to change the import. So from modin dot pandas import as pd. Oh, I don't have it. So let's do that. Okay, it's installing it and contains it. Okay, now it's installed. So let's comment it out that. And you can see we imported the pandas. So same as how you were using pandas in the past, same just change this import and you will able to do everything that you was doing it before. Okay, so let's create a data frame. Pandas data frame. Okay, for this let's create some data. So data dot, so let's import numpy and p dot random to generate some random data, and I want all of them to be integer, and I want the ranges like this from 0 to 100, and size I want it to be for right now, just keeping it smaller. Okay, so you see it's initializing the array at the backend, and you can see now we are able to create a data frame, right? If you want to change these backend, then also you can do by using import os dot environment. So you need to set the environment variable, okay, Modin engine, and you can set it here array, okay, you can set here task, You can set here unidist. Okay, and unidist uses MPI, so make sure to add that also into the environment variables. Okay, now let's understand the speed. How we are saying that it's gonna be more speedy for us, right? So let's write it here, speed check. So I imported normal pandas and initiated the array. Okay, let me restart this. Okay, now I just initiate the array and imported the pandas and imported the time so that we'll able to know how much time it's taking on each of them. So we'll have the start time. So time.time you can use to get when the execution started. Okay, I am reading a single txt file that is very big, that have a very big data. Okay, so firstly we'll import by using normal pandas. So I'm naming it as a pandas data frame. Okay, and here I'll be using pandas read csv and here taxi. So it's taking around 3 seconds, right? Over here. And now let's see how much time it will take on Modin. pd dot read csv. So you see it took 1.5 seconds. So it's taking half of the time that pandas is taking, right? Now let's see some more speed checks. So Modin data frame, okay, and we have a column here as a trip distance, okay, and here I will apply to convert this data to or round it up. Okay, so it has some NAs. So you can see it took zero point 0.4 seconds, right, on Modin. Let's do the same thing on Pandas. So you can see it's taking double of the time of Modin approximately, right? I hope you liked it and thank you for watching.